Is this the best pizza in Ljubljana? Today, Food Patrol gives you an honest review of Azur in Ljubljana. Atmosphere and comfort. They've got a big free parking lot and a cool Italian-style interior that feels like an old-school apartment from the 80s or 90s. Really charming. Solid 10 out of 10. Uniqueness and overall impression. To be honest, the place didn't give me that wow effect. I don't quite understand the hype or why it's always fully booked. Maybe there's a story or some history I don't know about. So here, it's an 8 out of 10. Food. This spot is known for its pizza. We ordered a margarita and their signature Azur pizza, plus some lemonades. The pizza was good, but not mind-blowing. Definitely not the best I've had in Ljubljana. And I think a pizza looking like this just isn't acceptable. So it's an 8 out of 10. Price and value. Pizzas range from 12 to 16 euros. That's average. But again, the sloppy presentation was a big minus for me. So I'm giving this a 6 out of 10. Service. The staff was polite during service, but at the start, they told us to wait an undefined amount of time, even though there were clearly empty tables. We also tried calling an hour earlier to reserve a table, and we're told they don't take reservations that early. That's a bit confusing. So this one gets an 8 out of 10. Cleanliness and hygiene. It was my first visit, so I can't compare to other days. But during my visit, it was clean. Not spotless, but good enough. The restroom was tidy and well maintained, so I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Final Food Patrol score for Azur, 8.2 out of 10.